In this video, I'm going to break down how we're going to help you fix your credit. If you have a negative marker, a late payment, a default, a CCJ, or fraud marker, I'm going to walk through our new process, which will make it very clear, simple to follow, easily understandable so that you are not confused. So please pay attention to every single word I say. If you're multitasking, defo stop doing that. If you're not fully paying attention, pause this video, get yourself ready, and listen to every single word I say. This video is so important. And whether it's you or someone else you know, this process will help them. So going back a little bit, we've shown a lot of people how to best work with AI to remove a negative marker early. And in our 6-step framework for best working with AI, step 1 is the most important. It's your story, it's your case. And we don't only tell you to just give, ChatGPT, for example, or Claude your story. We show and teach and break down how to really bring forward a strong case that can actually win. And in this video, I'm going to break down how to better do this so that we can actually help you win. So the most important step is your story and your case and feeding that to AI. Now, this step is critically important. If you take it seriously, if you really pay attention to every single word I'm saying, it will make so much sense. So again, stepping back a little bit, this whole AI thing, what are we doing? How does it work? Let me break it down. We show you how AI can help you look into all the rules that are relevant to your negative marker and where removals are possible. We then show you how you can give AI your story. The rules plus the story can help AI create for you a perfected dispute script. Hopefully that makes sense. That should be very clear. But if you don't understand it, rewatch this, go over it again. It's absolutely okay. So again, all the rules, your story, perfect scripts. This is how we help a lot of people get early removals on their negative credit marker. But your story. So let's say, for example, you've got a default and you have a vague idea as to why. We want you to really dig deep and draw out as much as possible when it comes to either giving AI or ourselves your story and your case. And I'm going to give you examples to make this very, very, very clear. Let's say you have a CCJ, for example, you received a letter, but you were not at home. Rather than just stating that as, the obvious, that you were not at home, that you didn't receive the letter, and that if you did, you would have paid off any outstanding amounts, you have to remember that you're speaking to a stranger. This is the bank or the lender or the company, and you need to clearly show them that you are innocent. So it's not just facts alone, it's knowing what else helps to back up your case and your story. So if, for example, you had a letter from the Royal Mail which made it obvious that you moved from this address at a particular date, then such a letter with your name and your old address or your new address, whatever it is, would help a bank or lender more clearly see that you are in the right. If you have a utility bill, for example, with a new address and there's a date, and you can then send this off and use this in building your case, this makes it a stronger case that we can use or that you can use with AI to get a negative marker off. So these things that most people would not see as important is what I want you to look into when you're working with AI on building your story. So again, rather than just saying, oh, my friend sent me £100 and then my account got shut down, rather than just saying, letters were sent to my old address, or rather than just saying, I wasn't sent a text message for this payment and I would have paid it off, rather than just saying these things, we need to go deeper. We need more. That's why I always say, with your story, come with paragraphs, not just sentences. And if you're struggling to actually say relevant things, then you can literally prompt AI to help you better present your story and present your case. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to release a brand new prompt that you can use to help draw out more from your story. So once we now have paragraphs, Then we have more to work with if you're going for our done for you service, or AI now has more to work with if you're still working with AI and doing this by yourself. This is step one. Now we are presenting a new done for you service that's going to be way more affordable, where we can quickly and more easily create for you a one-off script that you can use for a CIFAS fraud marker or use for a default, for example. And it's going to be an easier way for us to help more people without you having to pay the high fee. This will only work if your case is not complicated or if you don't have, a gajillion negative markers. If you have a complex case, then this may not work. But if you've got one marker, two marker, three markers, three different companies, if it's not complicated, then this new service that we're going to launch and release will definitely help you. But we need your story to be perfect. We need your case to be very, very clear, and you need to work with AI on this. So again, I'm going to release a new prompt that you can use. Once you've given AI the story, the case, what's happened, AI will then get back to you. You provide more details. You think about what else can be relevant. So again, I mentioned it before, but let's say you've got letters that can prove or back up your case. AI can help you think about the things that you think are irrelevant. And all of this can better, back up and fill up your case, your story, so that either we can work with things or AI can work with things. And just following this step properly, rewatching this video and going through step one properly will help so many more people with negative marker removals. Now, the second important part is that what we know is that if you went through our done for you service, your marker is more likely to be removed. Because when it comes to working with AI, even if you do it by yourself and follow our exact prompts, is that AI is a tool that learns and gets better. If, for example, you were to give your AI tools your exact case and story, and you gave your case and story to Ayo and her AI tools, her one will always do better than yours because she's worked with so many cases. And that's just a fact. So we're doing our best to make our done for you service more affordable and accessible to more people. But what we will require of you, because again, this is not magic, we still need your story and your case. And if you follow through on the new prompts that we will create, it will help you to better bring forth a case, bring forth a story. And again, if you can't afford the new done for you service, it's absolutely fine. You can still work with AI and follow the additional prompts that we've given away so that you can actually have a solid, strong, perfected dispute script. This is going to help so many more people. And this new done for you service, which will be more affordable, will help a lot of people get a perfected dispute script from our system, from our tools, rather than yours, which won't be as strong. That's the truth. It is what it is. Again, you can still work with AI yourself. You can still get negative markers off. AI is still fantastic. But again, if you're using Ayo's AI tools, for example, rather than your own, her one will always be yours. Hopefully this made sense. Please rewatch this. Please share this with anyone that you know that doesn't or that still has a negative marker. And this will help us and or AI to help with removing a negative marker early. Hope that makes sense. Please rewatch this. Please take this seriously because again, this is not magic. Though we do have a done for you system, if you're not involved, if you don't cooperate, it's not magic. So again, make sure you go through your story and your case properly. If you really work with AI very well, if you come forward with paragraphs and not just sentences, you will more likely win. You will save so much more time compared to those who will not take it seriously. Hopefully that helped. And I want to see so many more people finally fix their credit.